Hey everybody, my name is Mr. Fragrance. I got another great first impression video for you. It's fragrance from a house I never heard before. Anyway, it's called Ellis, Brooklyn, and I'm gonna tell you all about this brand. It's coming right up. Before we start this video, ladies and gentlemen, what is your scent of the day? Please leave a comment below in the description. Let me know what you're wearing today and why you're wearing it. Okay, so I was at Sephora. I picked up a lot of different samples. I was just trying new stuff out. I had some free time. So I ran across a company called Ellis, Brooklyn. And the fragrance that we're talking about today, ladies and gentlemen, is called Ellis Brooklyn Sci-Fi Eau de Parfum. So let me tell you the size it comes in. It comes in a 50 ml bottle or 1.7 ounce. It's $100. That is pretty steep. I'm gonna get into why it's really worth it. Okay, you can get a small travel size set with that and a bunch of other ones of their fragrances. They have a bunch in the lineup. This one I like the most. I got to try the other ones out. But it comes in a little travel pack with little ones like this where you can try them all out, which is pretty cool. This fragrance has notes of green tea, vanilla beans, and bergamot. This is when I smell it, it smells like a kind of warm and spicy fragrance. And I do like it. I get a lot of the vanilla in this fragrance. This little sample I got here from Sephora, I picked it up and I smelled it there and I was like, whoa, I like this one. This vanilla is really nice. You know, I'm thinking back to like the Pegasus, the vanilla. I'm like, oh, wait a minute, like, is this? And nah, it's not better than Pegasus, but it's really nice, a nice designer fragrance. And I sprayed, I'm like, wow, like, and I was like, let me spray it again. Oh man, I can smell it. I can smell it spicy, it's warmy, it's nice. Kind of a little feminine, I feel like women's, but I was talking to the lady rep there at Sephora. She was like, yeah, she's like, a guy or a girl could wear this fragrance. It's really nice. It smells nice. It's just, you really can't go wrong with a vanilla fragrance. I'm like, you're right about that. You know, it's like, I like it from the door. She really liked it a lot. She was telling me a lot about it. And I feel like this is like a hidden gem that nobody really talks about. I'm not sure when it was released. I was released this year or last year. I didn't see this at Sephora. I went there a couple of weeks before. I didn't see this there. So I don't know if it's a new brand or it just came to the United States. I don't know. I got to do some more research. But man, it's nice. It's warm. It's vanilla. It's creamy. I'm like, ooh, like this is something you could wear all year round. Really nice scent. And I sprayed it last night. It was around like, I got to say 8 o'clock. That's when I went to the mall and I was checking out the Lost Cherry at Nordstrom. Sprayed on this arm right here, and it smelled great too. That was a heavy blast of cherry, and that's a great fragrance. I can't wait to get my sample in the mail to do a full review on that one coming soon. But sorry about the sidetrack. This right here, Ellis Brooklyn Science Eau de Parfum. I like this one a lot. I sprayed it last night about 8 o'clock, and came home, relaxed, went to sleep, woke up the next morning, and it was like damn near almost 10 hours and it's still, I can still smell it. And that's crazy for a fragrance to last more. I got more than 10 hours. I took a shower because I had to get up and do some errands. And after I took a shower, I still smelled it on me. I can still smell it. I mean, it's not as heavy as it was when I sprayed it, but man, it was just, I can still smell it on me. After I took a shower, I had to take another shower to clean it off me, but that's pretty powerful for a fragrance. I'm like, wow, like, this might be a fragrance I might have to get and like do a full review and ask a lot of women, do they like this fragrance on themselves, or ask guys if they like it. You got to really check this fragrance out. Anyway, the fragrance is called Ellis Brooklyn Sci-Fi Eau de Parfum. If you guys heard about this fragrance, please leave a comment below. If you guys are going to go try it out, please leave a comment below, let me know. $95 is a lot for a 50 ml bottle, but you know, I'm going to test it out some more. If I get more than 10 hours, which I got the first time, this might just be a buy, because most fragrances like that don't even last about 8 hours. If I get 10 to 12 hours, this might be a banger that I'm gonna keep in the collection. I have to really talk to a lot of people about it. Like, it might be really big in the community, very coming soon. I'm not sure, but I like the fragrance. You guys should check it out. Thanks for watching this review. If you like men's fragrances, unboxing, free giveaways, all you have to do is click the subscribe button right now, show your support for my channel. It's free. What's wrong with free nowadays? If you like the video a lot, hit the like button. Appreciate your feedback. And once you subscribe, click the bell icon so when I upload new fragrance videos, it'll go right to your YouTube feed, because I think sometimes they don't go to people's feeds if you don't click the bell icon. So just click it so when I upload a new video, whether it's every day or every other day, it'll go right to your feed. Thanks for watching my video, and have a nice day, ladies and gentlemen.